Hey, dementia caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. And the question we're asking today is, how do you talk to your loved one right after they get their diagnosis of dementia? Okay, so you're leaving the doctor's office or you've just gotten a phone call from your loved one that lets you know they have a diagnosis and it's dementia, and they're very upset. And they may be confused and angry, frustrated. There are so many emotions that are attached to this diagnosis, and they're all normal. But you're probably thinking to yourself, can this really be happening? And even if you had your suspicions all along, you may still be in a little bit of denial and a little bit of shock, and that's totally fine. But before you can help your loved one be comfortable with this diagnosis, you have to get comfortable with it. And that means you have to educate yourself. You have to learn what dementia is, learn the timelines and the stages. Even though they're different for every single person, it's good to have a framework, some kind of foundation that you can rely on. There are so many groups out there that you can join, caregiver support groups that will really be helpful. But there are things that we think are really important. So the first one is your loved one will still be the same person. They may be repetitive, they may be forgetting things, they may have confusion or loss of words, but they're still the same person. So during mild to moderate dementia, you can really take advantage of that. You can make sure that you're doing activities that they have always enjoyed. And finally, your reaction matters. Your reaction to the diagnosis will shape your loved one's reaction. So make sure as soon as you hear what the diagnosis is, that you are positive and supportive, and that even if you're scared, they don't sense that you have a can-do attitude, and we will get through this together. For more information, click on to the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.